Hello everyone, welcome to Endeavour Immigration. This is Gaurav. In this video, I'm going to talk about Australia PR process from Canada. So this video is going to be in English. I have already made a video in Hindi on same topic. If you are not comfortable in English, you can watch that video. I am going to make this video on request of some of our clients and viewers who requested us to make this video in English because they don't understand Hindi, as many of our clients are from South India. They speak Tamil or Telugu languages as well. So before starting the video, I would like to request that if you haven't subscribed our channel, please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Apart from that, you can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram. So let's start the video. So recently we got calls from many of our clients in Canada who are Canadian PR or Canadian citizens, and they also want to move to Canada. Apart from that, we got calls from many work permit holders or skilled visa holders in Canada or students as well. So the process is same for everyone, even you are a Canadian citizen or Canadian PR or you are on any temporary visa in Canada. There will be same process for everyone to apply Australia PR because everyone have to go from same steps, because Australian immigration process is points based immigration, and it's very simple because there are only three subclasses for Australia PR. First one is subclass 189, second one is subclass 190, and third one is subclass 491. So for all the subclasses you must have minimum 65 points to lodge your EOI. The only difference is that for subclass 189 you must have 65 points on your own, but for subclass 190 you need to have only 60 points on your own because you get 5 points from state and territories. And for subclass 491 you need only 50 points on your own because you get 15 points from state or territories to lodge your EOI. So as long as you have 65 points for any of these subclasses, you can lodge your EOI for these subclasses as long as your occupation is available in that skilled occupation list. So now I'll talk about steps to apply Australia PR from Canada. So first step is to choose your occupation. First of all, you must recognize your occupation or choose your occupation, that you are an accountant or you are a marketing manager or you are a production manager or you are a software engineer or you are a developer or you are a transport company manager. So these occupations matter a lot because you need to choose your occupation and you need to check that this occupation is available for any of these subclasses, like for subclass 189 or subclass 190 and subclass 491, because these are the only visas with points based immigration. So once you choose your occupation, next step is to apply skill assessment. For Australia PR process, you need to have positive skill assessment from the relevant assessing body. For like IT occupations, you need to get your skill assessment done from Australian Computer Society, which is also called ACS. For engineers, you need to go for Engineers Australia, which is also called EA. And for accounting occupations or auditing occupations, you can go with CPA Australia. And apart from that, if you are a production manager, marketing manager, insurance advisor, you are a transport company manager, you are a tutor, and many other professional occupations, you can go for VETSS. VETSS is the largest skill assessment body for Australia, which is eligible to do skill assessment for more than 360 occupations. They have more than 360 occupations, professional occupations, and also 27 trade occupations as well. So you can check on VETSS website if your occupation fall in which category, and also if it is available on VETSS website. So after getting your skill assessment done, you can go for English language exam. So you can go for IELTS academic or IELTS general, or you can also go for PT academic. You must have minimum 50 each in PT academic or 6 each in IELTS to lodge your EOI. Once you get your skill assessment done and you also get your English language results, you can lodge your EOI and ROI with different states and territories. and you need to wait for your invitation from the pool. Once you get invited from federal government for subclass 189 or from state government for subclass 190 or subclass 491, then you can lodge your visa application. After lodging the visa application, you need to submit further documents such as your academics, your English language results, your skill assessment results, and your health exam. You have to go for health exam, and your police clearance certificates. So after submitting these documents, you just need to wait for your decision. So current processing time is around 9 months to 12 months. It also depends on your visa subclasses, that which visa subclass you are going to apply for your visa for, and also on your occupation, because some occupation are in priority list and you will get your result within 3 months after lodgement of your application. But for some occupations which are not in priority list, it can take up to 12 months to get your result. So I hope I have answered all of your questions regarding Australia PR and full process. If you have any other questions, you can leave them in comment section, and if you want to start your Australia PR process from Endeavour Immigration, you can contact us on given number. So our number is available on WhatsApp as well. You can also email us on our email IDs given on the screen. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video.